According to rumors, the Nothing Phone 2 will spot a triple camera setup, a flagship 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS and a formidable ultra-wide camera. Whether the last camera is going to be a periscope zoom camera is yet to be known, but we do know something. With the 8 Plus Gen 1, we will be getting 4K at 60 frames per second video capabilities and the option to shoot HDR RAW photos. The phone will measure 6.7 inches with a Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Going with the impressive narrow bezels of the first device, we do know the phone 2 will look sleek, probably even narrower. Nothing did drop a teaser early this month showing a blinking red light at the back of the phone with a caption premium, suggesting the premium design language the Nothing Phone 2 will be going for. With Nothing's unique design, the company is really going after some of these flagship devices costing double its price, and honestly I can't wait to put it up with the best of the best once the Nothing Phone 2 is released. Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section below.